Hi, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, I teach Korean learners what is called 사자성어, which is phrases commonly used in Korea. I made a video for you to understand what it is, so make sure you watch this video first if you haven't watched it. And all of the videos on my YouTube is based on what I've been posting on my Instagram, so if you're interested to learn more phrases like this, check out my Instagram as well. I'll put the links in the description below. Now let's dive into it. In today's video, we're going to learn 동고동락. There's 3 different characters. Let's look at each one of them. 동 means the same. 고 means hardship or pain. 락 means happiness or joy. This phrase tells that certain people have a strong bond because they have spent a fair amount of time together. What makes a friendship or relationship special? What makes a family special? 동고동락 gives the answer to the questions. Let's say you and I have been friends for 15 years. We must have done a lot of things together in those times. And as many great memories as we have, there might have been tough times either. Whether it's good or bad, we share the same experiences. And that's what makes us special to each other. That you and I have been through good times or hard times together. You don't use it with someone you met a couple weeks ago. Well, generally, a few weeks is not considered a long enough time for people to build a strong relationship. All in all, under 2 conditions this phrase works. 1. People who have spent a good amount of time. 2. During those times, there were not only good times but also tough times. Both of them are required in order to use 동고동락. 동고동락 refers to the very act of experiencing good things and bad things, so it functions as a verb combined with 하다, which means a basic form of do. Let's look at how to use it. 5년 동안 참 많은 일이 있었다. 응, 동고동락했던 그 시간이 그리워질 거야. And another example. 우리는 고등학교 시절에 동고동락하면서 친해졌어. I can give you more examples, so let me know if you'd like more. Hope this lesson was helpful. If you have any questions about the phrase or Korean language in general, leave me a comment. I will check it and see what I can do. If you want to learn more phrases like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.